Hey guys, this is Shayanti. Welcome to City Reports. Today I'll talk about my city, Kolkata. Previously Calcutta, the second most important city of the British Empire, the same Kolkata which is home to the oldest polo club in the world established in 1858. My city is called the City of Joy among all the other names. Watch the full video to discover and fall in love with Kolkata. So, why is Kolkata famous? Kolkata has a rich history of the places where culture nurtures in India. The calm, moderate climate, beautiful rains, and light winter gives the city a persona of care and comfort. There are many ways into Kolkata. It has national and international roads connecting it to the rest of the India. By air, you are expected to land in Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, named after one of the most influential freedom fighters of India, and by sea, Khidirpur Docks. Kolkata has these unique characteristics of changing dramatically within miles. From the old lazy beautiful lanes of North Kolkata, with the smell of generation-old sweet shops in every corner selling household snacks like shingaras and jilipis and kochuris, to the bustling South Kolkata with all its modernities. Kolkata is a mix of culture, economy and history. Let me tell you some of the things to do in Kolkata. In the north, you can start your day by having an authentic Chinese breakfast at Tirupati Bazaar. Choose to visit the generation-old ghats caked in history and take a boat ride along the Hooghly River. If you are a reader, then you're in paradise, as College Street houses the country's largest second-hand book market and the world's second largest. This book market is surrounded by India's old academic institutions. Then you can have your lunch at one of the most famous restaurants like Bhojahari Manna or Mutton at Golbari. The other famous region in Kolkata is the Esplanade area, which used to be the chief economical area and has splendid buildings largely influenced by the conscious intermingling of Gothic, Roman, Baroque, Oriental and Islamic schools of study. Nandan, Racecourse, the Victoria Memorial, the Indian Museum among other places are some of the attractions near the Esplanade area. Kolkata also has a vibrant art scene. Places like the Academy of Fine Arts and Nandan, among other numerous galleries and cinema halls and theatres, breathe life in this finely tuned city. Here are a few places to visit in Kolkata. The Victoria Memorial is a large marble building which is considered to be the pride of Kolkata. Built between 1906 and 1921, it is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria. Now, it is a museum and a popular tourist spot under Ministry of Culture. Located over the Hooghly River in West Bengal, Howrah Bridge or Ravindra Setu is the main connection between Howrah and Kolkata. It is a cantilever bridge and is regarded as one of the busiest ones among them. The Birla Planetarium in Kolkata is the largest planetarium in Asia and the second largest planetarium in the world. It is a single-storied circular structure designed typically in Indian style, whose architecture is designed on the Buddhist stupa at Sanchi. This is the place where tomb of Mother Teresa is present. It is maintained by her missionaries and followers who continue to promote her legacy. The Marble Palace near Chor Bagan in North Kolkata, built in 1835 by Rajendra Malik, is famed for its art collection of masterpieces by Rubens and paintings of various renowned international artists such as Reynolds, Van Gogh, and Rembrandt. One of its kind in India, the Science City was inaugurated on 1st July 1997. It is one of the major tourist attractions for the residents of Kolkata as well as for the people who visit Kolkata. It is one of the finest and the largest science museum in the world and provides fun way of learning science. Said to be the first cathedral built in overseas territory of the British Empire, St. Paul's Cathedral is an Anglican cathedral located in Kolkata, also said to be the Diocese of Calcutta. The glowing structure that adorns the streets of Kolkata is a popular Hindu temple, Birla Temple. Dedicated to Lord Krishna and Radha, this temple is a perfect specimen of craftsmanship. Popular as the largest cricket stadium in India and second largest in the world, the Eden Garden can sit 66,000 spectators. It is set amidst an adjoining garden where Eden, related to the one-time governor, and her sister would stroll during the evenings. Currently located on the Rabindra Bharati University campus in Jorashako, Jorashako Thakurbari is the house in which the first non-European Nobel laureate and poet Rabindranath Tagore was born. The Botanical Gardens of Calcutta were founded by Robert Kidd in 1787. Protected by the Botanical Surveys of India, it stretches over 109 hectares. A banyan tree in the garden of more than 330 meters circumference, known as the Great Banyan Tree, is the largest tree in the world. Placed in the Chitpur area in the Baro Bazar business district, Nakhoda Mosque is one of the busiest mosques of Kolkata and dates back almost a century. The prayer hall has a seating capacity of 10,000 and the domes and minarets have been constructed in keeping with the Fatehpur Sikri style of architecture. The Alipur Zoo, also known as the Calcutta Zoo or the Zoological Garden of Alipur, is the oldest zoo to have been established in India and is a major tourist attraction in Kolkata. It attracts tourists from all across the nation who visit the zoo to explore the wildlife that happily thrives here and to enjoy themselves. Ecotourism Park is an expansive urban park designed to promote ecotourism in the city. It is the biggest urban park in India and occupies over 475 acres of land. The beauty of the location increases tenfolds because of a water body that surrounds the park and forms an island in the middle. Nico Park is an amusement park frequently visited for entertainment and recreational purposes. It is also called the Disneyland of West Bengal and attracts visitors in large numbers throughout the year. The park functions efficiently on solar energy that causes no pollution. Prinsep Ghat, located on the banks of river Hooghly, is a majestic structure famous for its Greek or Gothic inlays. With the majestic Howrah Bridge in the background, watching the sunrise or sunset and taking a long walk in the cool air on the banks of the river are some of the preferred recreational activities here. Aquatica is a water theme park and resort in Kolkata, having many exciting themed rides, slides, entertainment and recreational activities for all their guests. The park occupies over 75,000 square feet of area and provides for a pleasant respite for the scorching summer heat. Park Street is a major route in Kolkata, also officially known as Mother Teresa Sharoni. The street begins at Chourangi Road or J.N. Nehru and stretches till Park Circus crossing. It is said the Park Circus never sleeps and is always bustling with activities. It is one of the major hangouts in the city as it has several pubs and restaurants. ISKCON Radha Krishna Temple is a highly spiritual place for the devotees, focusing on spreading the teachings of Lord Krishna. It is not restricted to any one particular religion as such and welcomes enthusiasts or people interested in learning about these teachings with open arms. The temple is a serene complex that houses beautifully ornamented idols of Goddess Radha and Lord Krishna. Kolkata has one of the most vibrant food scenes in India, from egg roll that can be found on every street corner. Fuchka, savor the burst of spices. Churmur, a crunchy blend. Ghugni chaat, give a pinch of tangy flavor. Jhalmuri, your go-to snack. Doi bora, dahi vada, Kolkata style. Kathi rolls with love from Kolkata. Shingara, your evening tea companion. Chanar jalebi, not a regular jalebi. Aloo kabli, a quick potato snack. Tele bhaja, fried delight to go with any occasion. Aloo dum luchi, taste the authentic Bengali platter. Mughlai parota, savor the scrumptious flavor. Kobiraji cutlet, minced mutton with a twist. Dragon chicken, solution to Chinese cravings. Ghoti gorom, just walk and eat. Kolkata has Michelin star restaurants along with very cheap, fulfilling street foods. Kolkata is famous for biryani that is unlike any other. It is distinct because Kolkata biryani has potatoes. Some of the most famous biryani places of Kolkata includes Aminia, Arsalan, Royal, Dada Bodhi, among other nation-renowned biryanis. Kolkata is all about contrast and celebrates a multitude of festivals like Durga Puja, which is a Hindu festival that celebrates the triumph of goddess Durga over the demon Ashura, the good over evil to others like Kali Puja, which is celebrated with the same spirit as Diwali. Kolkata also celebrates a vibrant Eid and a magnanimous Christmas, and has a few of India's most famous cathedrals, including the St. Paul's Cathedral. With Bengali as the main language along with Hindi and English, Kolkata is home to people of various faiths and cultures. The Jewish community, along with the Zoroastrians, has very famous baking establishments. Kolkata is steadily becoming an IT hub too, with the workforce steadily becoming centered around Salt Lake, which houses some of the finest names in the IT industry. The first city in India to have an underground metro network, also the only city to still have a working tram service, a platform of literature, science, culture, and innovation, and a place where people like to have copious amount of tea along with gossips called Adda. Kolkata is a living, breathing city with a warm personality. People here are warm, kind, and caring. Life can be super fast or slow depending on which part of Kolkata you are in. We are sorry if we have missed out on any points, as truly Kolkata is vast and is rather impossible to cover within a video. Kolkata is a shining beacon to this thriving nation called India. Do not forget to subscribe City Report, and also do not forget to press the bell icon to be the first one to watch the new videos. Thank you.